Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we invited engineer Yu to explain how to replace the cutting knife for EPS recycling machine. From the video, you can see that there are 4 screws between the blue protective cover and the operating table for fixation. Step 1. Loosen these 4 screws. Step 2. Remove the protective cover. Step 3. Remove the belt on the cutting roller. Step 4. Loosen and remove the 2 hanging ring screws on the top of the cutter gate. Step 5. Loosen and remove the 2 large screws on the top. Step 6. Loosen the 4 screws located on both sides of the feeding inlet to remove the pressure roller shaft. Step 7. As shown in the video, open and remove the metal cover plate in the direction indicated. Step 8. You can see 5 pairs of screws here. From top to bottom, their functions are: the first and 5th pairs are used to fix the metal cover plate. The second and 4th pairs are used to adjust the position of the gear hob. The tighter the screws, the farther the gear hob is from the feeding inlet. The 3rd pair is also used to adjust the position of the gear hob. The tighter the screw, the closer the gear hob is to the feeding inlet. Step 9. Loosen the 1st and 5th pairs of screws mentioned above. Then the 2nd and 4th pairs of screws, and finally the 3rd pair of screws. Step 10. Loosen the 4 pairs of screws on the side plates. Step 11. Remove the side plates on both sides of the blade, while keeping the belt side intact. Step 12. Use a tool to remove the square metal block on the other side. Step 13. Loosen the screws of the cutting knife with a relatively sharp tool. Step 14. You can now take out the cutting knife by standing it upright. Step 15. Place the new cutting knife in the original position. Tips. 1. Adjusting the distance between the fixed blade and the moving blade. The closer the 2 blades are without touching, the better, usually around 0.2 mm. 2. It is recommended to loosen the 3rd pair of screws first until the fixed blade and the moving blade make contact. Then adjust the 2nd and 4th pairs of screws until satisfied. 3. Grinding the cutting knife. If there is a tool grinder in the factory, you can use it to grind the cutting knife that is not sharp but not damaged, and then put it back into use. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.